Hey there, welcome to Curio Craze. I'm really excited to have you join me as we dive into the fascinating world of lab-grown meat. It's honestly an area that's changing the way we think about food, and well, it's something I'm super passionate about. So, let's get started and see what all the buzz is about. So, what exactly is lab-grown meat? Well, it's real meat that's produced by cultivating animal cells in a controlled environment, rather than raising and slaughtering animals. Basically, it's meat, just made in a totally new way. It's sometimes called cultured meat or cell-based meat, and it's got the same taste, texture, and nutrition as traditional meat, just, without the need for farming animals. Alright, so, how is lab-grown meat actually made? It all starts with a small sample of animal cells, which are placed in a nutrient-rich solution. These cells grow and multiply, forming muscle tissue, the main component of meat. Over time, with the right conditions, those cells develop into something that's, well, pretty much identical to the meat you'd find at your local butcher. It's a process that combines biology and technology to create something truly innovative. So, let's talk about the benefits of lab-grown meat. First up, environmental impact. Producing meat in a lab, it uses way less land and water, and it creates a whole lot fewer greenhouse gas emissions compared to traditional livestock farming. Then, animal welfare. Well, this process really cuts down on the need to raise and slaughter animals, which is a huge step forward for ethical eating. And finally, health considerations. Lab-grown meat can be engineered to have less saturated fat and even fewer contaminants, making it, honestly, a potentially healthier option for all of us. But of course, there are still some challenges ahead. For starters, cost. Right now, producing lab-grown meat is expensive, and bringing those prices down is going to take time and innovation. Public perception is another big hurdle. Some folks are, understandably, a bit hesitant about eating meat grown in a lab. And then there are regulatory hurdles. Getting approval from food safety authorities and setting up clear guidelines, well, that's a process that's still ongoing. When it comes to the latest developments, things are moving pretty quickly. New companies and researchers are making breakthroughs in scaling up production, improving texture and taste, and even expanding the types of meat they can produce. It's honestly an exciting time for this field, and we're seeing more and more progress every single year. Looking ahead, the future of food could be, well, radically different. Lab-grown meat has the potential to transform how we eat, making our food system more sustainable, ethical, and accessible. It's a journey that's just getting started, and honestly, I can't wait to see where it leads.